Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Analytics tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to export Google Analytics data in Excel. It's extremely easy and we're going to go straight to the point. All you have to do is to come to Google Analytics, log in, go to any report, and you are going to go on the top right hand side. You're going to see this little symbol, the sharing symbol. You're going to click here, and once you click here, you're going to say download file. And here you have three options: PDF, export to Google Sheets, and download CSV. This is the Excel download, Excel, delimited CSV file. So you're going to click here, and whatever you see in your report, this is exactly what is going to come in your Excel CSV file. You can do this in any report in Google Analytics. Now, some of you say, I click here and I don't see the option to download. What is the problem? The problem is your permissions. You don't have the right permissions in the account to take this action. So what you need to do is you need to ask from the client or the people you are working with to give you permissions. How they're going to give you permissions? They are going to go to admin, basically here, and here we're going to go either to account access management or property access management, depending on the level of access that they need to give you. And here they're going to add your email as simply as it sounds, and they're going to say you are an analyst or you are a marketer, right? So anything above analyst has access to download the data. That's it. That's how easy it is to download Google Analytics data in Excel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.